Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Dog Nail Trimmer is probably one of the most essential grooming tools for any pet owner, ensuring your furry friend's paws stay healthy and comfortable while preventing potential injuries to both your dog and yourself. A good nail trimmer can make a world of difference in your dog's overall well-being, reducing the risk of painful ingrown nails, cracked claws, and even posture problems that can arise from overgrown nails, so choosing the right one is crucial for a stress-free grooming experience. Number 5. YABIFE Super Quiet Dog Nail Grinder and Clippers Kit. Experience a calmer grooming routine with our super quiet pet nail grinder. Its low vibration and sound, under 30 dB, ensure a relaxed trimming experience for your pet. Trim with confidence thanks to the built-in LED lights. They illuminate the quick area, providing better control and preventing over-trimming, especially for beginners and dark nails. Achieve a cleaner finish by first clipping excess length and then using the grinder to smooth rough edges. This routine makes nail care faster and leaves nails less sharp. With 3 adjustable speeds up to 12,000 revolutions per minute, you can customize the power for any pet size. Start low for sensitive pets and increase speed for a more efficient trim. This all-in-one kit includes the grinder, clippers, and safety guard. It's USB-C rechargeable, offering over 12 hours of use on a single 2-hour charge for convenient cordless grooming. What we like? This grinder features dual LED lights for precise trimming and 3 speed settings for various pet sizes. Its ultra-quiet operation, below 30 dB, ensures a stress-free experience. If you're a beginner or have a pet that gets anxious during grooming, the enhanced visibility and quiet motor make this an excellent choice for safe, at-home nail care. What people say. The nail trimmer is designed with a safety guard to prevent over-trimming, which is a great feature for peace of mind. It has a sharp, durable blade that cuts cleanly through nails without crushing them, making the grooming process easier. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing for better control during use. Number 4. Mr. Penn Cat Nail Clipper. Introducing the Mr. Penn Cat Nail Clipper, designed for ultimate comfort and control during grooming. Make pet care a breeze with this essential tool. Its sharp, long-lasting cutting edge ensures a clean and quick trim every time. Achieve professional results with ease. Experience the difference with our non-slip grips and ergonomic handle. It's designed to fit your hand perfectly, providing a secure and comfortable hold. This tool is made to simplify the nail trimming process for you and reduce stress for your pet. Enjoy a calmer grooming experience. Whether you have a tiny kitten or a large feline, this clipper is suitable for all breeds and sizes. It's the ideal solution for every cat owner. What we like? Designed for comfort and control, these clippers boast a sharp, long-lasting cutting edge for clean, quick trims. The ergonomic, non-slip grip fits naturally in your hand. If you prefer a simple, manual tool for quick trims and want maximum comfort and control during grooming, these are ideal for cats of all breeds and sizes. What people say. The offset grip position is so helpful. Makes them much more functional for finding the correct and comfortable angle for both him and me. They are sharp and cut quickly and cleanly without needing a lot of pressure. Trim your kitty's nails fast and clean, with an easy hold, non-slip handle that fits your hand just right. Number 3. 4-in-1 Pet Grooming Clippers and Nail Grinder. Does your pet get stressed by grooming tools? Our clippers use whisper-quiet technology and minimal vibration, making grooming a calm and easy experience for them. It helps them polish their claws faster and more comfortably. This kit has everything you need for a full groom. With interchangeable trimmer heads and a nail grinder, it's perfect for dogs, cats, and other furry friends needing full-body clipping and nail care. Enjoy grooming freedom with this lightweight, cordless tool. It charges quickly for 90 minutes of use and can even be used while charging. Cleaning is a breeze as it's washable under the tap. Achieve the perfect trim every time. This tool comes with guide combs to ensure your pet's hair is cut to the desired length, providing a safe and comfortable grooming experience for their scalp. Its cordless design and ergonomic body allow for easy handling and maneuverability, reaching even tricky spots. Grooming becomes simpler and more flexible, ensuring a pleasant experience for your pet. Operating at only about 50 decibels, this grooming tool ensures your pet feels at ease. They won't be afraid of the low noise and vibration, making grooming sessions much more enjoyable for everyone. What we like? This kit offers a 4-in-1 solution with interchangeable heads for trimming and grinding, suitable for various grooming needs including face and ears. Its whisper-quiet technology and low vibration keep pets calm. If you're looking for a versatile, all-in-one grooming tool that can handle more than just nails and is easy to clean, this is a great option for full-body grooming. What people say. The nail trimmer is designed with a safety guard to prevent overcutting, ensuring a safe experience for your pet. It features sharp, durable stainless steel blades that make trimming quick and easy, even on thick nails. The ergonomic non-slip handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, allowing for better control during use. Number 2. VIWIK Rechargeable Dog Nail Grinder. Introducing our advanced pet nail grinder, designed for safe and effective grooming. Its diamond drum ensures a comfortable and painless experience for your furry friends, making it a perfect gift for pet lovers. This grinder features 3 ports and 2 adjustable speeds, catering to pets of all sizes, from small to large. You can easily select the right setting for your pet's nail hardness. Equipped with a precision motor, it operates with ultra-low noise and vibration, below 50 dB. This ensures a stress-free grooming session, so your pet won't be afraid. Our cordless grinder is easily rechargeable via USB, making it convenient to use anywhere. Its lightweight, ergonomic design allows for comfortable handling during grooming. Fully charge it before the first use. This tool is perfect for grooming your pet's nails at home, accommodating various pet nail sizes for a professional finish. What we like. Featuring an advanced diamond drum grinder and 2 speed settings, this tool provides safe and effective nail trimming for pets of all sizes. Its precision motor ensures ultra-low noise and vibration, making the process comfortable for your pet. If you need a reliable grinder that offers controlled power for different nail hardness and sizes, and prioritizes a quiet grooming experience, this is a solid choice. What people say. The nail trimmer is designed with a safety guard to prevent overcutting, which is a great feature for pet owners. It comes with a sharp blade that makes trimming nails quick and easy, reducing stress for both the pet and the owner. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing for better control during use. Number 1. VIWIK LED Dog Nail Trimmer and Grinder. Introducing the VIWIK Dog Nail Trimmers, designed for efficient and safe grooming. Keep your pet's nails healthy and trimmed with ease. Our advanced diamond grinder painlessly shapes your pet's nails to the perfect length. It's suitable for all sizes, ensuring a stress-free experience for everyone. Never overgrind again. Built-in LED lights clearly illuminate your pet's bloodline, providing accuracy and preventing injuries during grooming. Customize the grooming experience with 2 adjustable speeds and 3 grinding ports. It's perfect for pets of all sizes and nail types. Grooming just got peaceful. With a noise level below 40 dB and low vibration, your pet will remain calm and comfortable throughout the process. Enjoy ultimate convenience with cordless operation. It recharges via USB in just 4 hours, offering up to 10 hours of grooming time, anytime, anywhere. This makes a fantastic gift for any dog lover. Give the gift of easy and safe pet grooming with this essential tool. What we like. This grinder is equipped with built-in LED lights to clearly illuminate the bloodline, preventing overgrinding and ensuring safety. It offers 2 adjustable speeds and 3 grinding ports for all pet sizes. If precise, safe trimming is your top priority, especially for pets with dark nails or if you're new to nail grinding, the integrated LED light makes this an excellent, user-friendly option. What people say. The trimmer has a safety guard to prevent overcutting. It comes with a nail file integrated into the handle for smoothing. The blades are made of sharp stainless steel for a clean cut. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.